Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS text align. The CSS text alignment, the CSS text align property, which controls the horizontal rolling, which control the horizontal rows of our text document. So I'm going to be showing you how all this works quickly now. Back to our document. We're having this in our previous tutorial where we discussed about text alignment, but right now we are still going to be exploring this in reasonable way. You can check all these tutorial that concern the text alignment in our text alignment playlist or text align CSS text align playlist. So I'm going to change this to text align. So or you can check it text align or text alignment, because I'm going to have the tutorial on the text alignment also. Just leave it on text alignment, text align playlist. So right now, one thing I want to change is this h1 specifically. Let me target it and align it to the center. When I say text align property, I place it and now pick center. When I save the document, I will load. You are going to see where this h1 is going to start from. Can you see it begins from center? So wherever we had anything like h1 tag, anywhere we have it, it's going to start from center. Even if you have it from here, it's going to start from center because we are talking about h1 tag right here. Let me save my document so you can see what I'm talking about. Let's reload. Can you see it always starts from center? But the funniest part is that when it starts from center, if you notice very well, it will just be filling it into the document until the document filled up. Then it will now jump to another center from another document. I'm going to demonstrate that for you now. Let me do that inside this place. Let me be really hard here. Let me give h2 and I give it 2. I'm going to give w. So I'm going to write it a lot so that you can see what I'm talking about. Firstly, I'm supposed to break it. First, let me reload first. Can you see I didn't break it? So now let me break it so you can see what I'm talking about. What I'm talking about, I want you to feel it. I want you to feel the presence of all this. So as you can see, this is our h2 tag, right? So now let me reload my document. Can you see what happens? So when we filled up one place, it will jump to another place. We filled up one place to jump to another place. We filled up one place to jump to another place. That's how it works. That's how the text align property works. Can you see when this place filled up, it jumps to this place. When it jump, you understand? But it always start from sorry. This one should be h1 because it's the one we are giving the align. It's not h2. So let me give this one h1. Yes, it's not h2. We gave the align to. So when I reload, can you see? So it's filled up. When it's filled up, can you see? When it filled up right here, it always occupy the center space. It will always occupies the center. So it will not dissolve itself going beyond the center or whatever. If it is going beyond the center, at the end of the day, it will always come back to the center. So can you see? So as you can see here, it became from the center. Let's say for now it became from here. So it start increasing, but increasing by 1 is adding up. When it pile up reach this place, there is noted there is no any gap again. It now starts spreading to the back again. That's how it goes from up to down. So I want you guys to understand this. It's very nice when you understand all this, but in our future tutorial you are still going to understand it more better than this. So that's what I want to show you guys. So I want you guys to practice this because practice makes perfect. As you can see, it begins from the center. So anything you are adding, it's going to be piling up, and jump to the next level, to the next position, to the next space. Let me save this. I want to demonstrate something again. Can you see? It's filled up. When it's filled up finish, you can now press enter. When you press enter again, can you see? It jumps to the center. It starts from the center again. You understand? It will firstly fill all the document. As you can see right here, it firstly fill all the documents. When it's noted that there's not any chance again, it jump to another place. Let me break this so you can see it clearly. So it will jump to another reasonable place from the center also. So that's how it works. So no dulling for this. As you can see, it feed up this place and it jump again, jump to this place, it jump again, jump to this place. So that's how it works. Please, I want you guys to practice this. If you don't practice it, I won't lie to you. I don't know. I can easily understand what I'm talking about here, but some people have sharp brain like that. So you can just try your possible best to learn this, study it very well, and maybe when you have time, you can just rehearse on it and try to check what is going on with all these elements. So our you can align anything to the center. Let's give our P element to the center instead of our H1. Let's save our document and reload. Now our P element is now at the center. So it's now starting from center. So whatever we wrote, it will forward this page. After that, it will jump to the center again. Forward the page. After that, it will start from the it's just for it to start to begin from the center. You understand? That's just the main benefit of using this text align. To begin from somewhere, begin from this place, begin from that place. So it doesn't matter where it begins, it will at the end of the day fill all the page, all the paragraph. Like this now, it will finally fill all the paragraph no matter where it starts. So when I save now, we are going to see. Can you see? So that's what I'm talking about. It will fill all the paragraph, but we are just telling it that please start from the center first. We don't want to know what we want to do, but just start from the center first. And what akorede ayofe is my name once again. I wish to see you guys next time to our next tutorial. Have a great day. Thank you so much. Peace and love.